All right, we're back out in the garage today, and we're gonna sort through a few more things. So this will be another 1700s house unboxing. Got a lot of stuff here still to do, and then we'll do a little different today. I'm going to try to hold on to my phone while I'm unpacking some stuff so you can see what I'm doing. Date on the cash register, I found the power cord, plugged it in, and it came on just fine. It also has the manual, and the keys. See the keys in there. So that we should be able to use for our store. Let's see. Old tank magazine. Probably hold on to that for a little while. I'll check it out and see if it's worth keeping. Hands-on Home Workshop magazine, 1986. Probably not worth a whole lot. More crafts. All right, I had to go get a tote to put stuff in. There is a dust jacket for War and Peace. I'll set it to the side in case the book is in here somewhere. The book is probably not worth a whole lot because it doesn't look real old. Some little corn cobs. And with in the keep tote, Wooden Canoe, autumn 1984. Some interesting magazines. Set that. Just put it with the keep stuff. Markers probably are not any good. Been out in the weather way too long. And that stuff's not going to be any good either, the photo back corners. That's got plastic on it. You can tell if it's cards or envelopes or what. So we'll throw that in the keep tote. Of course, a Christmas tree stand. It's still good. Really good stand, actually. Put that with the keep. Another Wooden Canoe, 1984. Don't know if those are worth anything or not, but it's in decent shape, so we'll keep it. Stencils. Some more stencils. And this tote, probably not worth anything. Here's the back of a book. Set that over there. All right, Encyclopedia Britannica. What year that's? Uh, 1973. Well, it's older than I am. Definitely not going to throw that away, even though it's just one. We'll keep it. In tote. Well, there's the front cover of the book. Wow. 1919. I may keep that just for the print. It's kind of neat. What's this? Oh, another Wooden Canoe. 1984. Well, maybe I can put these on eBay in a lot and get, $1 out of them or something. Outdoorsman Handbook. Ooh. Turning pages in her book with one hand. 1970. Has the dust jacket, not in great condition. Like I said before, I hate throwing books away, so hold on to it. Maybe look it up later. All right. Candles. My wife loves these, so these will be staying with us. This basket over here. Little brooms, crafts, random tote, another marker. Let's see. United States Air Force. Special Orders, September 1957. Huh. That is neat. Very neat. Huh. Hold on to that. Maybe something about UFOs in there in 1957. Oh, glue sticks. Brand new. Glue stick. Not brand new. This is a little tin Christmas decoration. Looks like a gift bag. Put a candle down in it. Kind of cute. We'll hold on to it. Put it in our store. Looks like another Christmas, another Hallmark Christmas ornament. Here it's from 2010. Put it in this box with the other Hallmark ornaments. Railroads, The Great American Adventure. Colored pictures. $1977, year I was born. It's a neat book. My 3-year-old loves trains, so I might just hold on to that for her. Cameras. You know, sometimes people look for these things online, these old camera manuals and books and things like that, so we'll hold on to it just in case. Put it in the keep. Whoop. Lots of tissue paper. And even if this is not something we can use as a gift, if it's got some, you know, it's dirty or just a little bit dirty, not filthy dirty, we can use it to pack some of our items at our store. Or I can use them on eBay to pack things so they don't get messed up in delivery. Popular Mechanics, 1985. AM/FM cassette recorder. Ooh. Schematic diagram. Look at that. That's old school. My grandma had one of those. I don't think it's needed now. Some more wrapping paper. More Christmas stuff. More glue sticks. A couple of my kids. They are, of course, home because we are all supposed to stay home here in our state because of the virus going on right now. Open this up and see what it looks like. A little snowman head. Well, looks like it's never really even been used. I don't know. It's plastic. I thought it was going to be glass. Maybe it has been used, but you know, somebody like Snowman, we'll put it in our store and see if somebody wants it. It's a little discolored. It's kind of neat. Folds out, Christmas decoration. Hinges. And stuff to take to our store. Cookie boxes. My wife likes to do cookies for the neighbors at Christmas time, so it's probably something that she could use. Okay. So looks like a little magazine or something. Regulate New York State Regulations Guide, 1985-86. Now we'll hold on to it. And the store stuff. So you can probably tell I hate throwing things away. The Smithsonian Catalog, 1987, with ice cream on the front. Interesting. Okay. Looks like a hand-carved head of some kind. Not sure which way it goes. I think that may have been part of a nutcracker at one time or another. Well, this one, some more craft stuff. Matchbox car. Not in the greatest condition. Let's see what year it's from. Hope I had it the right way. Can't see a year, but it has the little tires on it that actually come off. So it's probably, I know it's an older one, it's not a newer Matchbox car. Sorry for the camera there. So we'll put it in our keep stuff. It's like the start of a wreath with all kinds of stuff falling out of it. I'll put that in our store stuff with the crafts. Somebody might want to make a craft out of it. Here's a nutcracker figurine. Still works. Everything looks like it's there. So it's dirty and needs cleaned up. Put it in our store bin. Crafting scissors. Put those in our store bin as well. Non-flowering plants. These for mushrooms and weeds and just identification, things like that. Let's see if we can find a year. Folding Press, New York.